versus ABB Limited, Section 4. Charge of income tax, capital or revenue. Non-compete fees, sharing customer database and sharing trained employees. Fee received not taxable. Section 28, subsection 1. Held that non-compete fees was received for sharing consumer database and sharing trained employees. Receipt towards transfer was not attributed to transfer of asset or transfer of right, and from the mere fact that receipt was not attributable to not compete covenant, it could not be automatically concluded that the receipt has either the business or the income of the activity recurring in nature. Amount was not accessible. I mean, sharing a database and getting a fee is not liable to capital income. Sharing a mere database, it's not attributable to transfer of asset and liability. We are sharing something. We are not selling the total asset. So the assessment officer considered that the sharing a database is a transfer of asset liable to capital gain, nothing. So it is revenues generated to sharing an asset. Agreement has been done. It's not not attributable to non-competent covenant. Okay, it could not be automatically concluded the receipt was either from a business or income of an activity recurring in nature. So the amount is not accessible. So it can't be accessible as per this. Even the amount is not even accessible. The data is being shared and revenue is generated. Now, how can you assess the income? I'm sharing the mere data source of income. I'm not selling the data. We are using the data which is commonly available. So such amount was not accessible. The even the income is not totally accessible. Great thing.